Good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which
everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it, and it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
I would say this guy, Ronald Araujo. You have a real defender's defender in him, Peter. And he may not be the best with the ball at his feet, but he's very disciplined, he's quick, he's strong. When strikers get a kick out of scoring a goal, he gets a kick out of making a good tackle. That's what he loves, defending. So keep an eye on that.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. Wan-Bissaka. Doku. Oh, we expected better, and so did he.
They've got to be quick moving this forward.
Rice. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, the ball's come loose here. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Neymar. Lizarazu. Final ball not quite right, and his teammates are irritated at that. This Cristiano Ronaldo! Great leap! Well, now it's a race for the ball. And that has earned a reprieve for the time being. And now they can spring out of defence.
It was played so intelligently, and he picked out the perfect target.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
And that's been intercepted. Doku. Some good work on the right flank here. That is lovely. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. And that'll be a goal kick. Palmer. Neymar. Passing nice and neat. Doku. He's found a way through.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Well, he's going to be disappointed with that. And it's Messi. Defending of the desperate variety. Struck first time. Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Reinildo really...
Lizarazu. Rice. Neymar, whose goal-scoring skills have already... It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, the ball's run loose here. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point, and the score is 1-0.
This is the time you need that pace.
Interesting ball. Berenguer climbs up big. Some resolute defending there. Oh, and he's through the middle.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
He's shifting through the gears here. Oh, well played, well played. Can he finish? Good try, very good try, in fact.
Well, that was smashed with...
Mario. And that interception was most necessary. Palmer. Gabriel promptly onto that, and that is that.
There
Doku.
will be 1 minute added time.
He's got away. Lizarazu. Messi. And here's Romario. There's the whistle for half-time. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal. That gets things going for the second half.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Barrios. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. He's got space in the area. That's a decent clearance. That'll be a throw-in. Here it is, crossed in.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
Well seen, saw that coming. Rice. Berenguer. Here's Ronaldo. Messi. Mendieta. Romario powering forward here. Well, that looks a decent ball. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Nice interception, his positioning was spot on. Threads one in, gets his pass away, he's onside! Neymar, cross goes in there, knocks it away.
Well, it's good stuff. This is
The
better.
attendance for
This is
match
a
was
really front-footed approach.
71,898.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
Oh, easy pickings there. It's a good run down the right. Rice. Gently done. Oh, good read. Gabriel, over to the other side. Now he's off and running. Rice. Your impression so far, Jim?
They're ahead, but they're not playing as if they are. There seems to be more of an emphasis on protecting their lead than adding to it. It's all gone a little timid.
Rice. Rice. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And here's Neymar. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
Now the finish! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Posh. Belts one.
The effort he made.
Madrid will have one further opportunity to make a substitution after this, their latest change. Well, that is one way to stop him. Pedri. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Tries to crash through the challenge, but no.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Now that's well seen too. Moved on forwards. Oh, that's delightful. Mbappe. Now it's Pedri. And the shot! And
Matters.
looking for options for movement. Cleared away. And they've been given a corner. Cleared without hesitation. Played out wide. And that has been clubbed away. Lizarazu.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
He's left his man. Madrid need to hold on for a few more moments.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Bellingham. Araujo. Now it's Pedri. And there goes the final whistle. Madrid, hold on. It's a narrow squeak, bit of luck, some judgment. 1-0 the score at the final whistle. What do you think?